In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can automate your iPhone to post on Instagram when Wi-Fi is enabled. You can simply enable auto posting on Instagram when your phone accesses any Wi-Fi connection in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your shortcut application. If you don't have the shortcut app, simply download it from your app store. On this page, tap on Automation right here. To enable this feature, just click right here on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down onto the option of Wi-Fi. Tap on Choose Network. Select any Wi-Fi network. It can be your own Wi-Fi. Then tap on Next right here. Tap on this option of Add Action. Search for Instagram. Then select Post to Instagram. Tap on Next and then press Done. Whenever the selected Wi-Fi connects to your phone, your selected Instagram posts will be uploaded to your Instagram account. If you don't have any selected or scheduled posts on Instagram, a reminder notification will pop up whenever the selected Wi-Fi network is connected to your iPhone. That's how easy it is to automate your phone to post on Instagram when any selected Wi-Fi is connected. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.